Yoon is joining us now from Seoul with more on SK하이닉스. Yoon.
Hi, Ariel. That's right. So SK하이닉스 did show some weakness for the second quarter, I guess coming in below market expectations, but the markets are focusing on the fact that year on year, they are showing an improvement for both their operating profit and revenues as well. Quarter on quarter, it was a weak picture, but operating profit came in at 1.3 trillion won, and the markets are focusing on the fact that this is 27% higher year on year, and also that it is their sixth straight quarter of them posting operating profit above the 1 trillion won mark. There had been concerns that the weak PC sales would mean a very weak quarter for SK하이닉스, but they were offset a bit by server and mobile chip demand for SK하이닉스 sales. And also another contributing factor we are seeing for the jump that we are seeing right now is that last night SK하이닉스 announced its share buyback plan, its latest effort to increase shareholder value, become more shareholder friendly. The size of the buyback was much bigger than market expectations. Another positive that we are seeing from some comments that they've made this morning is that they will be holding onto these shares for the long term, that they won't be reselling these shares after the buyback happens. So this is a very big positive for SK하이닉스. They will be buying back 22 million shares, which is more than 3% of all of its total common shares outstanding. And as of the time of the announcement, so last night, after yesterday's close, this is about 860 billion won in terms of cash amount. Analysts are saying that this was a good move to stabilize the stock, but also that it will be positive for its holding structure, given that the biggest shareholder of SK하이닉스 is SK Telecom, which only has a 20% stake in SK하이닉스. Oriel, back to you.
Okay, Yoon, thank you so much for the updates there. All right, let's turn now to the commodities complex. We're tracking the action in gold.